Air pollution is when the air around us becomes dirty and harmful to breathe in. This happens when things like cars, factories, and forests release the chemicals, smoke, and teeny particles into the air. Breathing in the polluted air can be harmful for your health and for the environment.
The air we breathe includes lots of things like gases. Most of things the air includes are too small to see, and we can't see them with the naked eye. So everything we breathe affects our health differently. For example, the poor indoor air that we breathe, it has short symptoms like headache, eye, nose, ears, irritation, and also it have different symptoms like skin irritation. Also, the extreme air quality that affects our health, it have symptoms like emphysema, or it have symptoms like bronchitis, or maybe cardiovascular or reproductive system diseases. And also, guys from Fujian have a special device for checking the air quality in Horror Town. This is this device.
Общественная организация «Молодежная группа по защите окружающей среды» с 2021 года занимается мониторингом атмосферного воздуха в Республике Таджикистан. И в рамках своей деятельности мы установили более 11 станций по мониторингу атмосферного воздуха в крупных городах Республики Таджикистан. И это дает возможность каждому жителю онлайн следить за качеством воздуха для того, чтобы планировать свою деятельность. Как мы видим на карте, данные датчики показывают качество воздуха в городе Худжанде, Бустоне, Бухтаре, Кульобе и других городах. И, к примеру, давайте посмотрим город Хород. И показатель на данный момент пока составляет 6 граммов кубических метров PM2,5, и температура на данный момент составляет 24 градуса.
At American Space, we have special device for checking the air quality. We checked it at the morning, so let's check how the air quality changed till now. We see that the air here is too heavy, so in order the air to be fresh, we should open the doors and windows.
Also, you can download an app on your phone with which you can check the air condition in your area. If the app shows green color, it means that the condition of air is normal to breathe in. Yet if it shows orange color, the air is not appropriate to breathe in. If you would like to know the meaning of each color and the index levels of health concern, you can go to US Embassy page, click first on Embassy, and then on Air Quality Index. Here's the information. However, Tajikistan is now concerned about this problem and it is searching the ways to overcome this problem. So now, as you see, Horog is full of trees and flowers.